Porsigido naman ang Malacanang na papanagutin sa batas ang mga taong sangkot sa pork barrel scam. Kabilang na dito ang mga opisyal ng gobyerno at ilang individual na dawit sa nasabing isyu. Iginiit ng palasyo na walang papanigan ang Pangulo sa pagtahak sa daang matuwid. Narito ang report ni Rocky Ignacio.
Ipinagutos si Pangulo Aquino kay Justice Secretary Laila de Lima na suriing mabuti ang testimonya ni Janet Lim Napoles, isa sa mga kinasuhan ng plunder kaugnay ng 10 billion pesos pork barrel scam. Sinabi ito ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda matapos ang pakikipag-usap ni de Lima at Napoles sa Makati Hospital.
Even si Secretary Laila de Lima, in her briefing this afternoon, made it very, very clear that the statements of Ms. Janet Napoles will still be evaluated, and the facts stated therein would be validated by the NBI investigation team.
Itinuring naman ng palasyo na mahalaga ang pagsasalita ni Napoles sa paghanap ng katotohanan sa likod ng PDAF scam. Sagot ito ng Malacanang sa posibleng epekto ng testimonya ni Napoles sa testimonya ng whistleblower sa pangunguna ni Ben Hurluy.
But this is a significant development in our quest to find the truth. So a new avenue has been opened, and so that's where Secretary Laila de Lima and her team will now be investigating and evaluating the credence of the testimony of Ms. Janet Napoles.
Ayon pa kay Lacerda, ipinaalam muna ni de Lima sa Pangulo bago siya nakipag-usap kay Napoles. Tiniyak rin anya ni de Lima na hindi sanitize ang pagkuha ng impormasyon.
I think Secretary Laila de Lima made it very, very clear why Janet Napoles is coming out. It's number one, the fear to her life, fear for her security. That was one of the reasons why she decided to Secretary Laila de Lima. So, and whatever motivations that Ms. Janet Napoles has is only between her and is only with herself. So,
Ipinauubayan ng palasyo sa DOJ ang pagdetermina kung nararapat bilang state witness si Napoles.
again, since she is willing to tell all, that is certain, we cannot close the door. As part of the quest to search for the truth, all avenues must be explored. Again, and for that reason, Secretary Laila de Lima has made it very, very explicit that there are no assurances for her to become a state witness.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.